Okay, here are some important steps to give a more fitting look at the bust round, especially these two uneven points. Here is the amended version. It will fit nicely around the bust area. Before we join the inner lining to the body, prepare to sew a white running stitch at the bust area first. After that, pull the thread to make it slightly tighter at this point. As a result, the collar will be fitted perfectly to the bust area. Here is the back after we iron nicely. We need to top stitch the top and bottom. Remember to sew closely to the edge. We need a fine workmanship here. Please sew slowly. Here we top stitch the back shoulder. Be careful, when you reach some sequence area, slow down the speed. Use ball pins to secure the overcoat shoulder and join the front and the back body together. Now we will join the inner lining with the body. Secure the side with ball pins and sew. The side allowance will be 1 cm. We prefer sew from the inner lining side. Sew slowly when you reach the collar round. After that, we have to trim the extra allowance away and remain half cm. We will iron this later. Fold the hem corner allowance nicely in a square shape. Iron the side neatly and we cover the edge with a satin binding. We sew about 2 mm wide and sew the narrower side on the top. Always slow down when you reach collar. Be careful, sequence dust may cause needle breakage. Later, we will cover the edge with the wider part and top stitch. You can either use normal pressure foot or single side pressure foot. Double check the binding from the inside. Make sure the stitches are uniform.